Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Robinhood. Let's get started. The way to move money between these platforms is by using Bitcoin. You'll be sending Bitcoin from your Cash App account directly to your Robinhood crypto wallet. This method works because both platforms support Bitcoin transactions. First, open your Robinhood app. On the bottom navigation bar, you'll find a search icon. Tap on that. In the search bar that appears, type Bitcoin and select it from the list of results. This will take you to the Bitcoin detail page, where you can see price charts and trading information. Now, scroll down on this page until you find the Wallet section. Look for a small QR code icon near your Bitcoin balance and tap on it. This will display your unique Robinhood Bitcoin wallet address. To avoid any errors, I recommend tapping Copy Address at the bottom of the screen, rather than trying to manually type the long string of characters later. Next, switch over to your Cash App. On the home screen, locate and tap on the Bitcoin section. Then select the option that says Send Bitcoin. You'll be prompted to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, you can only send what you currently own in your Cash App Bitcoin balance. After entering the amount, paste the Robinhood wallet address that you copied earlier. This is the most critical step. Please double-check that the address matches exactly, because cryptocurrency transactions cannot be reversed once they're sent. If you send to the wrong address, the funds will be permanently lost. When you're confident everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Cash App will process the withdrawal, and within a short time, your Bitcoin will appear in your Robinhood account. Once it arrives, you can hold it as an investment, trade it for other cryptocurrencies, or sell it for cash within your Robinhood account. And that's the complete process for transferring money from Cash App to Robinhood using Bitcoin.